Okay guys, it's 3:37 and my appointment is for 3 o'clock, 3:30, and I'm late. So let's go ahead and get into the nail shop. For YouTube.
For YouTube?
Uh-huh.
For what? Why?
I do YouTube.
Huh?
I do YouTube, and I'm recording like me getting ready for Miami. I want them really long. Yeah.
That's too long for you?
No.
No? You want to go open?
Yes, coughing. Alright guys, I don't know what color to get. I didn't know if I wanted to do basic and do the ombre, but Jonathan says to do a color since I'm going to the beach. I've been thinking about like a coral pink color. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you see a color that you like. Alright guys, I end up getting my toes white because the orange wouldn't show through. But here it is. Hey guys, I'm checking in the car on my way to the wax store. Today is Sunday, February 28th, and I will be going to Miami Thursday, March 4th for my birthday. So I'm on my way to get a wax for the first time, a bikini wax. So I want to show you guys how the experience goes. So I'll check back in once I get there. I'm running 5 minutes late like usual. So let me go. Alright guys, I'm here at European Wax Center in Arlington, Texas. Yes, ma'am. Nervous.
You can set yourself down.
Okay.
And are we recording?
I'm recording.
We're not allowed to record in here at all during the
Okay.
service. Yep. So I'll have you leave your phone over there. Yep. Perfect. Go ahead and put your feet together. Okay, and you're gonna butterfly. So good, good. I'm gonna have you hold your skin taut for me.
Okay.
Okay, scoot your hands up your stomach. Up. Perfect. Perfect. Just like that. I like your nails.
Thank you.
And are you from here?
No, I'm from Mississippi, but I stay here. I've been here more than 10 years. So.
How do you like it?
I like it better than Mississippi because...
1, 2, 3. You're good. You're good. Those are good ones.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will get half off on your bikini service on today because you were a first-time guest.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, I made it through. I think right now I'm going to go and start packing because I do have to work. Also, I have to install my wig, so I don't want to be pushing it. Still waiting on my purchases from Fashion Nova and I think it's Boho. Yeah, Boho. So I'll be back once I get home and you guys will see me start to pack and all that. Hey guys, I'm checking in the day before we actually go to Miami. You guys saw this morning that I packed. I did install this wig last night without actually braiding my hair. So if you guys would like to see a video of that, please leave it down in the comment section below. This is nice hair. I will be doing a review on it soon. So stay tuned for that. But I just want to close out this video and get you guys updated. So for my Fashion Nova order, I did receive that yesterday, but my boho says it's still in Jamaica. And I bought all them shoes that I wanted to wear. So I'm really bummed out, but I'm not gonna stress about it because I got some shoes that I could wear and I could buy some while I'm down there. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll be showing you guys all the fun things that we're doing in Miami. See you guys later. Bye.